conditions that you will not want to refer to them when you transition from a teenager to an adult. Because very soon, your mother was a teenager, I was also a teenager, these teachers were teenagers, but right now we are adults doing adult responsibilities. My young sons and daughters, please, with all the humility, I want to submit to us that you have a responsibility on your sexuality as a teenager. Boys liking that girl is no problem. But what you do with the feeling is what brings the problems. Boys, this is not the time when all women protected the children as children. We have pedophiles among the adults. Pedophiles people who will rape children and people who will do bad things to children. And let me tell you, we are going to a December holiday, see here? Yes. And December holiday, do not let any person infiltrate into you their value system during this long holiday. Because everybody protected children, including your own cousins, including some of your brothers and sisters in universities. They are no longer good people. It is upon you to simply take care of yourself. Do not trust anybody with yourself. Sawa sawa? Yes. Sawa sawa? Yes. Kama hakuna kitu ya maana unafanya, jioni ikifika enda nyumbani. Dumande murata. Nimesema giza haina rafiki. Please, if it is on a Sunday, akoni mwende kanisa na mwa Sunday school. Na hii nataka wewe mwenyewe ujitume. Si wewe ushinde ukifuatiliwa. I have told you, we did our best to protect you. God did his best in making sure that we gave birth to normal children without disabilities and with all the functional body parts. God did his work. No, utuwaga matuamaya magereire. Kehere wake wananje kiupo atakwenda kile tutuweko. Na in case ena mwanake orarua, hena keheke arua. Tajirai kwenda mundu arua ndithe beno. Ako hena keheke arua I want to caution you. Hakuka kiubu taikia. Kuna ugoroki mingi sana watoto wetu wanaambiwa. Highly sexualized information yenye tu itakulead to nothing. Please remember, in January, you are coming back to this school. Grace will still be your teacher. Mercy will still be your head teacher. The teachers who are teaching you will still be your teachers. Na korua ti udomona ya nyogekete ona gukagwa ruire hedi ya mau. Our girls are protected by everybody in the society, from the mother to everybody. But really, are we protecting the boy child? Ni nyinyi mfanya nini? Mtinganganie. Na nimekuambia giza haina rafiki. And anything that can befall a girl can also befall a boy. So please, take responsibility. Sasa kwenye tumefika, we are no longer speaking to your parents. We are speaking to you. You, unisikie, ndio ujiamulie. Kwa sababu kazi ya mzazi hata yangu yenye mimi nimebakisha, ni kupatia watoto chakula wakule washibe, kuwapatia nguo, na kuwapeleka shule wasome, na kuwaombea Mungu wakue watu. There is nothing more I can do than that. But in terms of character formation, it is their responsibility. And so, it is your responsibility. At the same time, this cycle mnaona inatoka adult inaenda old age alafu inaenda death. This cycle is not always like this. If you're a person without character, you might not enjoy adulthood. One thing I am very proud as a woman or as a mother or the speaker to many generations. I am so proud of a girl I was. Me, I never gave my parents hard time to bring me up. And mwaka na dake le mwe, utiko humurona. Guy, I wish mungeaniona hiyo time. Dari keru nywa. Na leo kwa roho haniodo. I am only expressing myself. Black beauty. Look at this innocent face. Very innocent face. I'm very handsome. You know? Yes. So, my daughters and my sons, please, if there's one thing I am happy about myself as a teenage girl, I never gave my mother hard time to bring me up. I come from Muranga where we farm coffee. I was not that person. And the reason I can speak to my children and generations with all the authority is because I am a proud graduated teenage girl. What kind of reference will you have to yourself as a teenager? As a teenager boy, when you become a man. As a teenager girl, when you become a woman. What kind of reference will you have about your teenage age? And because you're a teenager, then you better make the right decisions. Because you're a teenager, then you better take charge of your life. And because you're a teenager, then you better take charge of your decisions. I mean, kaya tukutanyo dole utakile na itatu na wena ile tanyo kwa. Kwani uko na tatu? Wewe uko na tatu? Mwenye anatoa tatu akuja tupeleke saja na tutoe moja. I mean, na mwana kwa nini na ngoko jirani na mimi na tiako na nyonyo. Asiye mimi niko nazo. Kaitali. Kaidetu, usione hizi hips zinafurahiwa huku na watu wa vijana hizi zingine za mashule zingine huku na wengine wa secondary kama umefika. Hakuna kitu ya maana hizi hips ufanya. Is simply giving us a feminine shape. Nothing beyond that. Anake, kururumelio uwo ukiwa wala ya kuta mudhuri kwa nyumo zido. Wasi ndio ndio wanaje na soprano, na karaja na besi. Na mbele kile alika yako. So these changes is not anything to become a radical child at home. That is my only message to us. These changes are not changes to think that you cannot be directed. You will need to be directed forever. Are we together? Yes. And now my last appeal, because you're going for a long holiday, tafadhali mamwechuke. I keep telling my children, asiyefuzwa na mama yake ufuzwa na nani? Ulimwengu. Ulimwengu unazaka wapi? Ushajiuliza ulimwengu ni wapi? Ulimwengu unazaka wapi? Wewe ulimwengu wapi yako? Now when I have a second one there when tunafundananga kidogo who is now in grade 6. Ibona kwa wale wako. Me as a mother, I go to koji wodera akwira. Ukitoka tu nje ya hii gate ya kwetu nyumbani, ujue uko kwa ulimwengu. Outside your home, uko wapi? Hata hapa mko kwa ulimwengu? Are we together? Yes. Na ulimwengu hainaka huruma. This world is not kind. And whatever is presented to the world is yourself. It is good to ask yourself, who is being presented to the world? Hii dunia haina huruma na iko na kila kitu baya na kila kitu mzuri. You will only enjoy depending with how you present yourself to the world. And because you are at the age ya kuambiwa, tafadhali sikiza. Na hata mkienda grade 10, hata mkienda university, hata mkiwa mama kama mimi, we live always to consult, to be taught and to learn. And it is good to choose to learn the positive things that has got positive impact in your life. So as you enjoy your teenage life, before you become an adult where you start paying taxes, you start paying school fees, you become the parents, when we are now the grandmothers, you are now the parents. Tafadhali, do not waste any chance of your season in life. And your season now is a teenage girl. Do not become a teenage mother because we do not want to nurse a mother and their children. Do not become a teenage father because you cannot take the fatherly responsibilities by being irresponsible sexually out there. Do not use drugs and eat things that will not have nutritional value to your body because you don't be nurturing diseases. Eat yourself. Negwenda mwende. Ona Christmas ino mwathie mutikaririo ta hiti. Unajua hiti na kuna kila kitu matikio mwanzo na hiti yaga. Inatiguo. After hii holiday, eat something that has got a nutritional benefit to yourself. Tukaria nururira sabasi na remararua kwa sare mararua. If you're there, you know you are going through the rite of passage, through circumcision. Please go alert. Say no to them and without defiance. So don't you get a mono out there. I don't know mahora. Na dokare tekele ko loka foke ali wetu okebuya. Are we together, boy town? Because I have seen boys traumatized and paralyzed out of that circumcision rite of passage way, and especially Amati. So I am only saying, you go have very good holidays. Not that way, the way you have gone home complete with all your body parts. Please make use of those body parts in the right purpose. Boys, I have said, matter sexuality, you are also having enough reps. Unfortunately, even in our family still, we only care so much about our girls and not our boys. Take care of yourselves. Girls, take care of yourself. And it is sexually, take care of yourself with your age mates, with those in secondary schools, because they will come. And the man kaitu nekara uti enyono nekara ndiri kaitu kanyina ngania nekara dire kwa tata we ojoka huta enyono kwa tata wanyu. Do not allow. Isi ti yenya silo kwa dide kibotero ne mwede. Yeah? It is giving you the feminine shape, and when time comes, itakuwa chakula mzuri sana ya mtoto. When time yes, when time comes. And these changes we go through, they prepare us for the future. They prepare us for the adulthood. See, after teenager to adulthood. Yes, they prepare you for adulthood. So, because you are a teenager, I don't want to talk about adulthood, but when we speak to you, just remember, Joki is just another graduated teenager. So I was there. When your mother speaks to you, if you a mama, is just another graduated teenager. It's like when a PP2 child sees you. You know, I make fun with my children. Come and ask when a PP2 boy sees this boy somewhere, are we together? Yes. Are we together? Ona abodu mukuru hana kabuka kinyariwa wathia kana maguru atairo kora ikumba ne gukora. PP2 boy ni go ona na mwana ka we grade 7 kana mwiri we grade 6. No nani ndo ngameta amona mama ala ibuli wona lenjira wase na go tekite mwiri andu wangai gote mota le gukoro wake. Now very soon you are graduating to where I am, and also very soon those children are also graduating to where you are. It is called the life cycle. So as you go for your holidays, please take maximum care of yourself. Anything that you need to ask, please verify before you get to it. But of importance, be responsible. You have a responsibility. Sawa? Yes. And Amwera dunia si kite. Anything that gets any person because of reckless behavior, STIs are still there. We are struggling with STIs and teenagers in our hospitals. We are struggling with the teenage mothers in our hospitals. We are struggling with adolescent HIV in our facilities. We are struggling with children diabetes. Juvenile diabetes. That's why I say, please be modest. Take care of yourself. Only take to your mouth whatever adds value to you. Whatever I refrain your mother from taking for your sake, then you should never do it. For you to live happy and for you to live healthy. Otherwise, there's nothing much we came to say. Other than just to tell you, you still do have a responsibility. Sawa? Kumatu wa mosi ya rado umaita ni mwabeye wa ikaramani. Me, I can only give you food as your parent. I can only clothe you as your parent. I can only house you as a parent. I can only pray to God for you. But the rest, that is very personal. Ukifika age yako, lazima uanze kujituma. And as I said, in the tumbo, you are 100% dependent. But once you are born, the dependency level goes down. As you grow up, the independence level goes up. So you better grow up responsibly, because you're becoming fully independent very, very soon. So enjoy your holidays. Please take good care of yourself. I would wish to see us back here, full and functional. Matter social media at home. We have technology at home. Tuko na simu, tuko na wifi, tuko na internet, tuko na TV. Nimesema ni kila mtu ajiamuri. Masikio ni yako, chagua masikio yako itasikiza nini. Macho ni yako, chagua macho yako itaona nini. Yes, if you choose pornography, it will have its own impact and consequences in your life. And you cannot tell me what you enjoy in seeing naked people. What do you enjoy? Excuse me, let me come. You want to go Hana? Yeah, I'm always proud of myself. You want to go Hana? Give me a walk. Yeni nitoe nguo zote. Na nikuje sasa. Na umekanya nao itakuruka. Nimetoa kila kitu. Ndoke hahade noi. Will you be seated there? Ama mtasema nimegoroka. Now tell me convince me what you would sit down to watch on a screen fully naked people. No mogoroki niwe. No more that you're seated, you're going there for to dinema. You could to dinema to town. Now boys, madam, please, this is your dinema motilagi holiday. Nakuru, na munazita kanini PS, PlayStation. They do not add a value to you. So, use that phone appropriately, because I cannot tell you not to access it, because I know you will access it anyway. Ukichukua hiyo simu na iko na kipato kidogo, only use it for things that are beneficial to you. Otherwise, unataka kuona makinenya hivi ndio kongo mo ngiri yale. Mendo hiyo. Pornographic content. That is what you spend all your day watching. Tell me, what do you enjoy? Anake, what do you enjoy? But it is up for you to choose. As I said, you have a duty. Sidio? This same phone can also lead you to very many things that you would want to do in this life. The same platform. So technology, please, take charge. Choose what to watch. Choose which kind of content to consume. Not forgetting that you're soon becoming an adult, and an adult will refer to a teenager. And I wish you so well. If you're a firstborn in your family, please know that you carry the family story. Know that you carry your family story. Be responsible. If you're second-born in your family, most second-borns are very problematic. Please choose to be different. Can I say that again? Yes. I have said, if you are second-born in your family, most second-borns in families are very problematic. Please choose to be a celebration in that family. Sawa? Yes. If you are last-born in your family, please know that this world does not recognize last-born. It recognizes humanity. So grow up a responsible person. Sawa? If you have both parents at home, please celebrate them, because they may not live forever with you. I am saying, if you have two parents at home, please celebrate them, because they may not live forever with you. I am a testimony that I live without parents. They are long gone and they are dead. So because you have your own, celebrate them. Give them some good time to bring you up, without them making a lot of noise and without them complaining that you're becoming an indisciplined person. If you have only a mother at home, she has a duty of molding you and having the heart of of a mother and a father in that family. Respect her for who she is. If you have only a father at home, whoever she is, whatever he does, it is not your business. He is simply your father. If you have bigger siblings, respect them for being your siblings. If you have otherwise nyuma yako, respect is both ways. When you are kabere, na when you are konyu, just be that child who can be celebrated in your family. And then, weka otire musara nekore. Ona kore musara, ti musara ogekenera. And you will not gain anything by becoming a difficult son or a difficult daughter in your family. And then know that in January, God willing, 2025, Father will still be here. If you have a neighbor mwenye mnasoma na yeye, check on each other, angalieni masaa, daugatu mate ya kurata, angalieni masaa, akone kurarua itora, doakoe modolo okuma, kuma inero kinyarogoro agedia kiriaga safari kore ya kuraruo. Apana, safari yo kore ya kwa nyuthi loko, na kodo kore ya tosa safari ketoria modo mo. Girls, be the best that you can become. And every other day, live a responsible life, knowing that you still do have a duty. Having said that, Joki Mora is my name. I love really speaking to children and molding the future of the young people. Do you want my number? Yes. I always give my number to young children or young men or the youth because I know I have given myself to answer questions that they may not ask any other person. My number is 0726. Na kama unaandika kwa mkono usichukue namba yangu. Yeah, you either write in your book but not in your hand. 0726 66 37 13.